we are going to make some cufflinks. So those of you that are looking for the perfect Father's Day gift, this is an easy one for you. Quick, inexpensive, but fun and unique way to give a gift. So I've got these amazing cufflinks. I'm going to show you a little trick on how I do them in my Magic Cure lamp. All right, so this is my hack for this. These are what I'm going to use to hold my cufflinks in place, like so. All right, so we're gonna add, we don't need a lot. This does not take a lot of resin, just a little bit. And we're gonna add our glitter to it. I'm gonna do a little spoonful and just a little bit more. So this is what the Hangin' Tough looks like. So I'm gonna let these bubbles rise to the top for a little bit longer, just in case I miss some. All right, so making sure they're nice and even. These work so great. These little crafting clamps, I use it for everything because they really do allow you to be more hands-free. All right, we're just gonna kind of put this in and layer it up. So this is kind of going to act as our background, the little camo. And then what you wanna do is dome it with the original formula to top it off, and that is what gives it that really cool beveled look. So you want the camo to serve as your background. And there we go. Just a little bit more. All right, so we're gonna hit this up with some fire. And I'm going to cure these and then we'll dome them after. So we're gonna kind of work in layers here. All right, let's do it. All right, let's get these suckers domed and these will be done. See how fast you can make these? It's so fast. All right, so we're gonna dome these. I'm just gonna top them off with a little bit of clear. Just enough to get to the top there. The trick with this top coat is just making sure that it's nice and level. Perfect. All right, and we're gonna go in and cure. 60 seconds to do it. Look how cute these turned out. They're already done. Don't they look great?